Good evening, everyone. How are you doing? Hope you are doing well. Thank you. Welcome back to my channel. For my old subscribers, thank you for staying with me. For my new subscribers, you are all welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to be showing you what you can use for your dark under eye circle. Although this cream, I've made a video about it. The video is down there in my channel. I made a video about it that it clears dark spots. It clears dark spots, but I didn't make sure it also work on dark under eye circle. This cream is Anasia face cream, and also when I made a video about it, I didn't show you guys the carton, how the carton is, and some persons were eager to know about how the carton is. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you how it is. The carton, this is the carton, this is how it is, and this is the cream inside. I've showed you how to identify the original one when you see one, so I'm not going to go back to all that in this video. But I'm just going to I just want to let you know that Anasia face cream, it works for dark under eye circle. If you have a dark under eye circle, you can get this cream. You apply it under that place where you have this dark eye circle under your eyes like this. You apply it in the night, then you sleep with it. Then as early as possible in the morning, you wash it off. Another thing is that do ensure you put on glasses, eyeglass. If you don't you have sunscreen to be using, you can be using shade eyeglasses while going out at daytime, so that you won't have problem with sun, contact with sun, whereby affecting you to have all these under eye dark circle that occurs under the eye. So that was it. And also this cream, I forgot to mention when I made that video that it clears dark spots, that it does not work on pimples. This is a carton, you can still take a view at it. It does not work on pimples. It does not clear an existing pimples. It can only prevent you from having pimples. But if you have an existing pimples already, it will not clear it. That's the truth. It will not clear it. There is something you can also use on your pimples. If you want me to make a video on that, you can drop that on the comment section. You can ask about just type what products will be good for me to use on pimples. I'll make a video on it if you want me to make a such video as well. But for now, I'll let you know that Anasia Beauty Gold face cream does not work on pimples. It does not clear pimples. It does not clear an existing pimples. It can only prevent you from having pimples. But it works on dark under eye circle, and at the same time it works on dark spots on your face. It will clear your face from dark spots, dark under eye circle, but it will not clear your face from pimples. It does not work on pimples. That is it. So if you have dark under eye circle, you can go ahead to get this cream and make use of it. Thank you. Please, if you are still watching to this point, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get other good reviews on products and other educative and informative video. Please do subscribe to my channel, like my videos, share to your friends, so that I will know that what I'm doing you actually like it, and same time my video can pump out to different persons that will likely watch it, and same time you are also helping someone out there that don't know about my channel or that have not seen this video to also come across this video. Please don't just watch and pass by. I don't know what I did to you, but you just watch, you don't subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and God bless you.